Hello, my name is Vishal Sukhatankar and I am a visiting consultant here at Chiva-Som Hua Hin. I'm qualified as a yoga practitioner, a Bach flower therapist, a sound healer and also a life coach. And I am bringing together 17 years of experience where I am going to bring a lot of therapies which will be combined with emotional healing, energy healing and also aqua resonance. My approach to healing is pretty simple. You heal your emotions and you heal your deep-rooted diseases. I am going to use different techniques like EFT, sound healing and flotation therapy to improve your overall well-being and make you understand how emotions can help you attain maximum and optimum health. I'm also providing complimentary group classes, the Nada Yoga, where you will get to experience sound healing, and also another class called Understanding How Emotions Govern Our Health and Well-being. This is definitely going to help you release your discomfort and support you in the best way possible. I look forward to welcoming you all to Chiva-Som Hua Hin.